In this guide, we're going over how you can check your PS5 wallet balance quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Starting off on your PS5 home screen, what you're going to want to do is actually go over to the left until you see this PlayStation Store icon right here. Go ahead and select it and it's going to open up the store. And once you're inside the store, you'll be on the main page with featured games, deals, and collections. Up at the very top, just scroll up, and what you're looking for is these three dots all the way over on the far right. Go over to them, select them, and then it's going to pull up with a page that looks like this. And up at the very top of this menu, you're going to see your PSN name. And of course, you're going to see your current wallet balance as well. This is going to show you exactly how much money you have available to spend. And of course, you can go ahead and redeem the code in this section, like a PlayStation gift card, or you can go to payment methods just like so, and then you can add funds or update your payment options in here. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Let's know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.